Hey guys, Wedge here, bringing you another Omsi 2 video. Today I will be showing you how to install Omsi 2 maps. First things first, you'll need this website here, Fellows Film. This has most of the free Omsi 2 maps that are amazing. You'll click downloads at the top here, select your category of Omsi 2. There are other options here, but for the instant I'm just going to be doing maps. And then here is a list of all maps that are there. You've got Oatford, you've got Scunthorpe, Cranley, Lincolnshire. For this instance, we're doing the Adsto project. You'll click onto it. To download anything here, you do need to have an account. So I do suggest doing that first, make an account, and then it will make you to download. So for the Adsto project, this is what is required. You need all these maps downloaded in order to download it. We'll first actually download the Adsto project map by clicking download. Once that's downloading, you will then need to individually download some of these here. Now, thankfully, it does tell you where it is. Some of them are paid DLCs you will need. So you do need to check that before obviously launching into it. Otherwise, the maps will not work. Now, I should mention when downloading some of these maps, like the E200 MMC, that there are actually further downloads that you do need to have as well. It's kind of like a little bit of a bunny hopping thing. So if I click that, I need to download this. Master Villain Pack you have to buy. So now that I have downloaded the Adsto project using this one here, I now need to go through and download the required downloads. When you do click some of them, they do take you to more required downloads as well. So you need the West Country, Strathshire, Lincolnshire. You do sometimes need paid DLCs that you will need to go and purchase on Steam for these maps to work. Without it, it will not work. So before downloading it and wondering why it's not working, make sure you have the paid DLC and read the README in the file below. For the sake of the video, I will go ahead and download everything and we'll then go ahead and install it all. Alrighty, once you have downloaded all the necessary files that you do need and have the correct payware, you'll then now go to your Omsi 2 directory, which you can find this through either going through at the top here, this PC, local disk, program files, etc, or simplest way, go to Steam, right click Omsi, click manage and browse local files. It will bring you to this exact folder. What you now need to do is go and open each individual folder and drag it into the Omsi 2 directory. So for instance, I've already done that one there. Some of them will already just open straight away to where you can just drag it in for scenery, objects, and splines. You can just drag it in. Some of them will have an additional folder that says Omsi. Don't drag it in there because nothing will happen. Click it, and then it says scenery, objects. You can then drag that in as well. If the folder, just replace the files if it does ask you to do it. For me, I just have a lot of duplicate files, so it is totally fine. Now that I know I have done that, I'll put that there. And yeah, when you open the file like this one here, and that one's already got scenery and splines, I think this one here, Omsi 2, don't just drag it in here. Click the file, there will be another file on something saying vehicles, which there is a folder here that has vehicles just here. All right, replace the file because it will just add it into here. It will automatically add it into here. If you drag it in there, nothing will happen. All right, once you've done that, you'll then load Omsi 2. Alrighty, once you have opened Omsi and installed all your maps, you will then scroll down to find your new map. For me, the Adsto project. When you're launching the map for the first time, do load without buses. I always find that it does work better, and generally you are supposed to avoid any issues. And let's see if our map will load. Alrighty, and here we are. We are at the terminal. Our buses are here. The map seems to be all loaded in. Yeah, perfect. So we have successfully installed a new map into Omsi 2. Alrighty, now just in case you load the map and it is a blank map, nothing is there, go back to the Fellows Film webpage, make sure you've got all the installed requirements, and then generally load the map as a without buses. That generally does fix most of the issues. If you have any issues or it's not working for you, let me know down in the comments. But other than that, guys, thanks for watching, stay safe, and until next time, see ya.